I'm Gabriel Alvarado, a senior here at Kirkland Ranch Academy of Innovation, and I currently hold the CompTIA Tech Plus certification.
I currently have the Security Plus, Project Plus, and Cloud Essentials Plus certifications.
CompTIA A Plus certification.
The CompTIA Security Plus certification.
The Tech Plus.
The Tech Plus certification. CompTIA Tech Plus certification.
Currently, I have the CompTIA Tech Plus certification.
Security Plus certification.
I currently only hold the Tech Plus, but I am currently working on my Security Plus.
CompTIA Tech Plus certification.
Hi, I'm John Quesada. I'm a senior at John A. Ferguson Senior High, and I have an A Plus certification.
Florida has a booming IT industry. It's not a secret to anybody. We're very fortunate to live also in the Tampa Bay area where it is growing, all sectors of IT.
Miami-Dade County Public Schools started in the cyber field because our economic council's progression of courses and industry certification from the state of Florida was increasing.
We provide not only a virtual environment for students to learn and grow with labs within CompTIA and Test Out, but we also provide hands-on experience and education for students in reference to the IT world.
Teaching our students and helping our students learn so they can secure those cyber assets is important to us in the industry. We want to give them access to programs that are relevant, that are going to increase their job possibilities after graduation. So we knew cybersecurity was going to be a program that would help us do that for them.
CompTIA is a worldwide recognized name, and as a result, our students, when they earn one of these certifications, they're able to earn college credits as well.
CompTIA certifications are a suite of well-known and well-regarded certifications that let future employers know what our students know and are able to do.
These certifications that the students are offered through CompTIA are honestly a game changer for our high school students. They're able to take these certifications and earn them while they're in high school, and it immediately shows employers that they are workforce ready, they're capable, they're strong, they're skilled, and they're willing to do the work.
So when students come into the program at 9th grade, I will say they have the mentality of wanting to become a hacker, because that's all they know from TV and movies is the hacker scenario. So right there is where we have to begin changing their mindset to become defenders.
Students change a lot when they come into the program. When they first come in, they're really timid, they don't know anything, they're unsure themselves.
Cybersecurity is really about defending whatever it is that's an asset, a liability. And with that, we start at the foundation, learn from there that there are adversaries that we need to protect ourselves against.
But as they get into it, I think they start realizing that it can be fun. They start learning more. You see a lot of attitudes changing about it. They want to learn more.
That does help change their perspective, and that they don't want to be hackers. They want to be somebody that's going to protect, or they can be somebody that does it ethically by doing pen testing and get paid nicely for it.
I focus on hands-on projects, also teamwork and collaboration. Students do great when they learn from each other.
Well, the hands-on learning model enhances what happens in the classroom, because it's one thing to learn a concept on a computer screen, but it's quite another when it becomes a reality.
What it comes down to is I have to get the kids in a position where they're actually touching it, so that they're actually
seeing themselves and actually making the mistakes themselves.
We do a lot of testing, there are a lot of events that go on, but we try to grasp things that are relevant in today's world. With cybersecurity, you know, there are a lot of threats. There are local threats, there are state threats, there are national threats, and what we try to do is ensure that we know how to tackle those threats.
So my favorite moments are the aha moments, because they use technology all day long, and they really don't understand what happens. They walk out of my classes really understanding what really happens when they hit enter.
The certifications that are offered from CompTIA are industry recognized, and I think that's the biggest piece of the puzzle here is these students are leaving with recognized credentials across the industry, and that's what they're looking for, students who are ready to work.
Knowing that the work that my team and I are doing can change the entire trajectory of a student's life is extremely powerful, and there's so much passion for our students to make sure that we are setting them off on a successful pathway. And it's really hard to describe. I mean, there's obviously this deep, sincere feeling that we are changing the world, we are doing things to make life better for students moving forward, and it's all through these programs, giving them the opportunity to just become the best version of themselves.
So this is my passion, and I teach it every day, and I do not work a day in my life, quite frankly, but I'm enjoying every second of it.
I love that Florida is on its way to being a leader in cybersecurity, and I'm really proud of Florida to be recognized for that, especially in Pasco County schools. We've worked really hard to maintain our programs, and we've actually implemented some career dual enrollment aspects of our cybersecurity programs now, which is really going to help our students earn those acceleration points that they need for college.
The CompTIA Tech Plus certification means a better understanding to me.
CompTIA certification, for me, it means hard work.
Having the CompTIA A+ certification to me means success.
The CompTIA Security Plus certification opens a lot of doors for me.
CompTIA certification means to me is a road to the future.
The CompTIA Security Plus certifications means better opportunities.
The CompTIA Security Plus certification means to me future foundation.
The CompTIA Security Plus certification means to me a brighter future.
The CompTIA Security Plus certification means to me a future in cybersecurity.
The CompTIA Security Plus certification means to me traveling the world.
The CompTIA Security Plus certification means to me career opportunities.
A CompTIA A+ certification means job opportunities.
The CompTIA Security Plus certification means to me a bright future.
The A+ certification from CompTIA means to me opportunity, education, and expertise.
The CompTIA Tech Plus certification means to me that I've succeeded.